Are you having trouble with your iPhone email not syncing after an update? We totally get how annoying that can be, especially if your Apple Mail isn't syncing up with Gmail. Don't worry, this guide is here to help you troubleshoot and fix the issue so your emails can sync seamlessly again. Let's dive right in and get started. Solution 1. Resync your Gmail or iCloud account. First, open your settings. Next, scroll down until you find the appropriate app. Tap on the Mail app. Then scroll down a bit more. Tap on Accounts. Choose your account. If it's an iCloud account, proceed with the next steps. Tap on your iCloud account. Turn it off for a few seconds, then turn it back on. Now go back to your email account. Select your Gmail account. Turn off the switch for Mail. Finally, turn it back on after a moment. Solution 2. Check your internet connection. Swipe down to open the control center. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to ensure you have a stable connection. Verify that you have a reliable internet connection. Solution 3. Recheck your Mail fetch settings. Open Settings, scroll down and tap on the Mail app. Tap on Mail Accounts. Select Fetch New Data. Ensure that Push is enabled for Gmail. Set the fetch interval according to your preference, for example, every 15 minutes. Solution 5. Remove and re-add your Gmail account. Open Settings. Scroll down and tap on the Mail app. Tap on Accounts. Select your Gmail account and tap on Delete Account. Then tap on Add Account, choose Google, and follow the prompts to re-add your Gmail account. Solution 6. Reset network settings. Open your settings, scroll down and tap on General. Scroll down again and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset and select Reset network settings. By following these steps, you should be able to fix any issues with your iPhone email not syncing after an update or with Apple Mail not syncing with Gmail. If you're still having trouble or need more help, don't hesitate to reach out for support. We're here to assist you.